We begin with ambitious aspirations from MicroStrategy, led by founder Michael Saylor, who is aiming for $1 trillion valuation by investing in Bitcoin. The company has become the largest corporate holder of Bitcoin, owning 252,220 BTC valued at over $15 billion and investing around $9.9 billion. Saylor predicts that Bitcoin will eventually account for a larger share of global financial capital, estimating a potential price of $13 million per Bitcoin by 2045. He believes this strategy presents less counterparty risk compared to traditional banking models and aims for an average annual return of 29%. Now for a daily dose about artificial intelligence with SoundHound AI's Amelia conversational AI platform, which has received the Excellent Advanced Technology 2024 award from research and advisory firm Celent. The recognition was based on both the advanced technology category and breadth of functionality category, placing Amelia in the luminary category, Celent's top rank within its technology capabilities matrix. The report highlighted Amelia's strengths and differentiators, such as longevity in market and generative AI implementation, extensive experience in voicebot implementations, and well-honed use of generative AI for model development. More into the medical sphere, keep an eye on Tempus AI as it keeps expanding its collaboration with Takeda Pharmaceutical Company. The aim is to improve Takeda's oncology research and development efforts. This expanded partnership will significantly boost Tempus's biological modeling capabilities and strengthen its position in the niche space. The collaboration will leverage Tempus de-identified multimodal datasets and biological modeling capabilities to advance Takeda's pipeline of cancer therapeutics. The two companies have also commenced a multi-phase biological modeling project using one of the largest repositories of patient-derived tumor organoids in the world. Then on the road with GAUZ, which has implemented its Smart Vision R camera monitor system, CMS, on buses operated by Capital District Transportation Authority, CDTA, in New York as part of a multi-year program aimed at enhancing road safety. GAUZ's CMS replaces traditional side mirrors with advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, on public transportation vehicles and is designed to reduce blind spots, improve driver visibility, and enhance passenger safety. The company expects sales projections to exceed $100 million by the end of 2025, reflecting its expansion in the commercial vehicle CMS ADAS market. Meanwhile, ChargePoint, an electric vehicle, EV charging provider, has launched a new service in the U.S. that combines the purchase of its ChargePoint HomeFlex residential charger with home installation assistance. The program aims to make EV ownership easier by streamlining the installation process for customers. In the world of crypto, Coinbase is still generally benefiting from growing acceptance of Bitcoin. However, the company still feels some of the effects of economic uncertainty and legal troubles with the SEC. Nonetheless, Patient Capital remains bullish on Coinbase, stating that it continues to solidify its position as the platform of choice for the crypto ecosystem. Coinbase also ranks 11th on Goldman Sachs' list of popular stocks among mutual funds. Contrastingly, when it comes to the consumer staples sector with Kimberly-Clark, expectations are generally optimistic ahead of earnings, mainly because it has a history of surpassing earnings estimates in its last two reports, with an average surprise of 20.76%. For the most recent quarter, it was expected to post $1.68 per share, but actually reported $1.96 per share, a surprise of 16.67%. The company's earnings ESP, expected surprise prediction, has been trending higher, and we won't have to wait long to see if these assumptions are correct, since the upcoming report is due on October 22nd. For more on Kimberly-Clark and these other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.